Today I have for you this deep fryer and grease keeper. So got a couple different functions just with this one item alone, and it is great. So this is a smaller deep fryer, 3.7 quarts, 119 ounces, but perfect for 1, 2, 3 people. It does come with, got this nice lid that goes on the top. You've got the grease strainer here. So what this is for is if you need to strain either your cooking oil or your bacon grease, that filter is going to keep all the bits from going in there, and that keeps your oil nice and fresh. Also, you have the deep frying basket, and that's what I'm going to use today. I'm going to make French fries. That fits in there like that. Okay, so let me show you the inside here. Love stainless steel, super easy to clean and very durable. But let's get some oil in here and make fries. I added my oil to the recommended amount. I heated the oil to the recommendations on the French fry bag and added the frozen French fries. Look at those bubbles. The final product, golden, delicious fries.